Sunday morning, March 22nd. The dogs and I were taking our usual morning walk along our prairie dog route down the Powerline Trail, and we noticed a man pushing a motorcycle through the soft earth, almost mud, south in the lot along Chambers. We watched him push it until he could push it no more, set it up against a pole, and then went back and erased the track of him pushing it. Now, the scale of this map and the scale of that he pushed it is like 100 yards. It's like a football field. So it was like some Sisyphus-like task to push this motorcycle that distance. After getting back to the house, I put the dogs in the house, and then I took up a little recon position behind a fence underneath some trees so I could watch this man and observe what he was going to do with the motorcycle now downhill from anywhere where he could easily get it back to the street, and see if I could find some evidence of what may have happened. Here's our fellow, I imagine, pondering his choices from the night before. He seems to be looking up and down Chambers. He's probably still hungover, probably wondering what happened last night, or he knows exactly what happened last night, and now he's wondering how he's going to try to alleviate his current circumstances. No, when he gets back, he still erases some of the tire trail coming out of the empty lot. Definitely pondering his life right now. Having been a several decades long motorcyclist, I can tell he's looking his bike over for its damage and how he can recover it. And the fact that he's now put it in a position where it is going to be very difficult to recover. He's going to probably need a team of friends to help push it back up to the street. All right, as a resolution to this little Sunday morning narrative, I would point out that this section of Chambers right here that goes under the power lines is a section where people often drag race, or they just open it up to see how fast they can go. And so people do like 100 miles an hour or more in this little section of Chambers. So I'm guessing he was intoxicated, having a good time on the old bullet bike, and probably northbound, lost control, went into this lot up where the tracks originally started in that yard, and like he's trying to race some of the tracks still to this point. Crashed the bike, was probably super intoxicated, just got home, and this morning came back to the site and is now in the process of trying to recover his machine. Lucky to be alive, probably, but still hungover and chastising himself. Happy Sunday.